Hi, Simba. Good morning. Good morning, Papa. Good morning, Simba. Hi, Papa. Alright, time to go. Stop. Ah, stop it. Be nice. Sky. Good morning, guys. Hope all of you are doing well. It's literally 6 o'clock. Probably 6:15. Here at the farm, but it's really dark outside. You would think it's probably still 4, but it's already 6. It's so dark you can't see anything at all. But it's a beautiful day at the farm. We start the day when it's still dark outside. So right now I'm trying to make myself some coffee as it gets light outside. Things I do in the morning. You know. Good morning, guys. How are you? Welcome back to Chores Farms. My name is Fiona if you're new here. And yeah, today is a beautiful morning at the farm. It's always really dark when it's morning hours here at the farm. I woke up at around 4, did my prayers until around 6, made my coffee at 6 o'clock, but it was really still dark at 6. Right now it's 7, and now it's bright and beautiful outside. I think these days the nights are longer and the days are shorter. It takes long to get dark and it takes long to be bright because the moon is still outside. So this whole area to the bottom, and that's where I want a demonstration garden. I'll have different patches. I'm going to have sugar grass. I'm going to have Chores up here where I'm standing. Yeah, just have a demonstration, for in case we have like anyone who wants to learn, they can easily, see what the pastures look like, because most of our gardens it's a little bit of a distance from the farm. Yeah, but even us having a demo garden is good. So this whole section I want to take it straight up to there where there is a path as it slopes. So this small corner, I want it to join this whole garden, actually to the fence, where the fence is. That's where I want this whole area to be filled. Yeah, so yesterday I was cutting this grass. So today I'm going to try and dig some trenches. I'm not actually going to dig the whole place, but just some trenches where I'll be putting my seeds when I'm planting. It's not going to be a perfect garden because what I'm going to put here can grow with this grass, and also this grass is not bad. The goats love it. So yeah guys, now I'm done with this section. I'm going to continue digging it till I slope down that side. This grass, I'm going to use it for my mulching my garden, one of my vegetable gardens. Yeah, I really want this garden to come and go all the way to the fence and also connect down. This job of digging will definitely take me a few more days, but yeah, I'm confident that I'll be able to achieve what I want. One thing with farming projects and activities, you do one thing at a time, and some other things, well, you wait for another time to do them. A project can start and last you a month, last you a week, last you some time before you finish it, but once your vision is acquired, it is really satisfying. So yeah, we're back here at the homestead now. we're back, and going to continue and take you guys along some of the things I'm currently doing. So at the farm, we lock up everything. We lock our exercise yard. We lock all the animal structures. Reason for that is for security purposes. Yeah, we don't give nosy people or people who might not be good for us a chance to harm us or our animals, and it's good to limit access to your farm. So that's this right here. Hey, and goats love dry matter compared to wet matter. So this is their hay. Oh yeah, I do change my gloves because these are my cleaning gloves. These are my feeding gloves. Need to change them because handling grass, nobody wants their food dirty or contaminated. So I do have different gloves for different things. When I'm handling clean food and their grasses, and when I'm basically cleaning. So now I'm going to go open for them and also change their water. According to their women, goats prefer dry matter compared to giving them wet grasses, because when they're eating dry grasses they eat less of it, but they get more of the nutrients. But when they're eating the wet matter, they eat more of it, and yet it's more sense full of water. So for us, yes, we do hay because it's actually even better to have hay. The grasses don't go bad, and also at the same time you stock and you store, so you're always with feed. Especially now that we are I think the dry spell is coming to an end, but we've been in the dry spell for quite some time. So whatever you planted in the previous season is what holds you off right now. So I've been mixing the goat water. Today I decided to put charcoal in the water because when I went to the back's house, is the charcoal, crush it, and put in the water, the drinking water. Charcoal is a toxin binder. Can use it for anything, prevention of it. The toxin binder binds anything that's not right in the tummies of the stomach. Even human beings, if you're having stomach issues, you drink charcoal and it helps. So that's what I'm mixing in the water. The reason for this, I usually do give them, but today specifically I went in the Buck's house and I did not find proper dropping. The dropping is in form of a patty, and when it comes to goats, their droppings have to be in form of pellets. But I found, which means either he has an issue in his stomach. Keep monitoring him and seeing. It's not diarrhea yet, but it's also not how I want his poop to be like, his manure to be like. My battery died. I didn't show you when I opened for them, but they are all here eating. These are back in his section eating his breakfast. And the ladies, I'm still making more feeding troughs. This is the one I made, but I'm still making more. So very soon they'll be leaving these and they'll be eating in proper feeding troughs. So right now I'm digging around this exercise yard because digging all the boundaries around this exercise yard. The reason I'm doing this, I need it to be clean. For example, you can see here there is manure within this grass, so it's not easy to sweep because of this vegetation, this grass here. It's dry grass, yes, but it makes sweeping difficult. So I'm digging around, like you can see, that way, so that we can keep the whole boundary clean. These goats, they have a habit of, they pass their heads through these poles and try to eat whatever is outside here. So if at all, if the area is not clean and they eat their manure, that is diseases, and that's something we are trying to avoid very much. So that's what I'm doing right now. I've been wanting to do it for some time. I have to prevent this grass from going next to the boundary, because the goats will definitely pass their heads through and try to eat what's outside here.
This grass makes really good hay that our goats enjoy extremely. At first, when we had just come, we didn't know whether they would like it. But then afterwards, after some time, when I tried it, tasted it, I found that they actually enjoy it a lot. So from then we started cutting it. We already have the dry one, what you saw me give them for breakfast in the store. Like it's always good to have extra. So I use around this time to come and cut some. And besides, I want this whole area clear because I want this part of the land for a garden, for my demo garden. I'm now finished with this part of cutting grass. I'm going to go feed the animals again. For now, I will continue cutting. Cutting of these pastures is continuous. We never stop. So whenever we have a free time, we come and cut. But for today, for this part of the morning, this is what I've been able to do. So yeah, now let's go feed these animals. So this is hay, alfalfa hay. I'm going to mix the pasture with alfalfa. Alfalfa is very good protein content and it's very good for muscle building and overall health of the animals. So guys, I'm now done with this morning routine on the farm. Every day is different. But some things, especially the morning chores, almost stay the same. But yeah, today's morning looks like that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you again next week in another video. So many projects going on, so many things I have to finish, to accomplish, but with the farm everything goes step by step. So yeah guys, see you again next week. Bye.